Good morning, everyone. You may be seated. Okay. We're hearing case number 0101, Taylor versus Taylor. Come to the podium, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Whoa. $20 million at stake. And you can instantly feel the pressure in the room. This isn't just a divorce. It's a full-blown jackpot battle. Get ready because things are about to turn seriously chaotic.
So I see here, Miss Taylor, you are seeking half of a lottery winning in the amount of $20 million. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Explain to me why you are entitled to half of the winnings.
So I'm seeking this money because I strongly believe it still goes under marital property since he got this ticket.
Pay close attention to her legal strategy here. She's claiming the ticket qualifies as marital property. In family law, timing is everything when it comes to assets, but she's also layering in a strong emotional angle. 7 years of personal sacrifice. It's a classic courtroom move to sway the narrative.
In our shared account, and then that he got it before our divorce papers were finalized. And I supported this man for 7 years, following him everywhere he goes so he can chase his dreams. And I give up on my career and my life to support him. So I think, again, I'm here to seek a fair distribution. I'm not here for greediness.
You said he reversed the ticket prior to. When was your divorce finalized?
We're in October 7 on 9 a.m. At 9 a.m., I believe.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Taylor. Mr. Taylor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Well, one thing is true. We were divorced on October 7th. That is the one true thing that she has communicated to you. The full truth is that we got divorced that morning. And then, as you can see from the receipt, later that day, after I had lunch with my attorney, I left his office from the finalized divorce, and I stopped on my way home to pick up some beer. I bought a 6-pack. I was going to go home, watch the game, just kind of relax a little bit. And
Here comes the classic "I bought it on a whim" defense. Mr. Taylor is trying to frame it as pure post-divorce luck. Now the judge will be looking closely at receipts, timestamps, and credibility. Because in court, every tiny detail matters, even a quick lunch purchase.
And as I was paying, I decided to buy a lottery ticket. And so I bought a lottery ticket, something I almost never do. And that's when I won the money. So it was clearly after the divorce. She has no claim on that money. And this is really a waste of all of our time.
So you allege you bought the ticket after the divorce was finalized.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Taylor, you said your divorce was finalized at 9 a.m. that morning?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Well, you did submit a receipt.
Yes, Your Honor. I submitted a receipt from when I purchased the 6-pack of beer and the lottery ticket. You can see clearly it was at 12:30 in the afternoon.
If you allow me, I can also add to that. I strongly believe those numbers you see on the lottery tickets is not coincidence. It's our mutual history, and without.
Now comes the "my life events are the lottery numbers" argument. She's literally tying their entire relationship to the winning combination. It sounds poetic, but legally it may come off as creative storytelling rather than real proof. You can't exactly debate dates with a computer's random number generator.
Me, without us, he will not have won it. I can explain you more if you allow me. So those numbers are 2, 7, 14, 21, 28, and 39. So 2, December 2nd, the day we got married. June 7, the day he proposed. August 14, our wedding anniversary. 21, May 21, our dog's birthday. 28, February 28, our first romantic date. And 39, believe me or not, 39 cities we change chasing his dreams to become an actor or, I don't know, a travel blogger. So I give up like everything for him, give up my career, and I supported him for 7 years. I think I deserve that money, and it's fair.
If I may, Your Honor, she's trying to find significance in these numbers, but the truth is I did a quick pick. I didn't even pick the numbers. The computer picked them for me. I have no idea if all those dates are even correct. I think she's making this up. And if, again, I may, Your Honor, I think some context here. And if I may, Your Honor, obviously you can see there's a pretty significant age difference between us. I flattered myself when we got together that she found me attractive for me, but as we lived together, I learned that she was really just interested in what little money I had, which was probably a lot less than she thought I had. She never had a job the whole time we were together, and when most of my savings was gone, that's when she filed for divorce from me. So this career thing, I don't know where that's coming from.
What savings are you talking about? Like, I spent everything on groceries, barely affording it, okay?
Miss Taylor, so you were with Mr. Taylor out of love, and then sounds like he ran out of funding.
After 7 years.
After 7.
And now comes the emotional peak. 7 years gone just like that. You can feel the heartbreak and the sting of betrayal. It's hard not to sympathize, even if her legal footing isn't strong. This is a perfect example of how courtroom emotion can be used to leave a lasting impression.
1 month or something. 7 years, it's a big number. I wasted 7 years of my life, best time of my life, on this gentleman. For what? He throwing me away like a, I don't know, homeless cat or something.
Matter.
I mean, he also make us so much pressure to divorce. I mean, I thought like he never did something similar in that entire life, like throwing away garbage or fixing broken coffee machine or something. And all of a sudden, he's becoming like, I don't know, Usain Bolt, or how do you call it, Flash, forcing me to divorce as soon as possible. I assume he bought this ticket before our divorce was finalized.
Your Honor, you can see from the receipt that I did not buy that ticket before the divorce. She was the one that asked for the divorce from me. I didn't rush things through. It was a pretty simple divorce. We don't have children. There obviously wasn't.
We have our dog, though.
We do have a dog, yes.
Okay.
But that was a pretty easy. So the divorce just went through quickly because there was nothing to stop it after she asked for the divorce.
Well, Miss Taylor, you're the one who filed for divorce, so I can't.
But he rushed it to no end.
You're the one who
Without
filed for
making it
divorce.
fair. I'm here for fairness, not greed.
Now, I do understand how you can feel hurt and upset because your now ex-husband has come into quite a bit of money. And with that, unfortunately, all of it belongs to him because, as you stated, your divorce was finalized.
But it's not fair.
At
It's not
9
7
a.m.
years to the garbage.
You should have hung in there till 12 o'clock
I couldn't.
that afternoon. So,
It's
what
unbearable.
unfortunately
He
you did.
promised me like fake things.
I do understand, and I am sorry you wasted the best years of your life, as you state. But the law is the law, and how much.
Now the tone shifts, the countersuit. Sometimes in law, it's less about the money and more about making a point. Mr. Taylor's $2,500 claim feels symbolic. And you already know the YouTube comments will be divided. Justice served or just petty revenge? You decide.
No matter how much sympathy I have for you, I can't rule any other way. Now, from what I understand, Mr. Taylor, you have a countersuit here for $2,500?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Okay.
Yes, that's to cover my own personal expenses, consulting with an attorney, the ridiculousness of this situation. So I just wanted to file a countersuit to sort of, draw more attention to the absurdity of this situation and for all of us having to be here and waste our time.
Mr. Taylor,
Yes, Your Honor.
25, and you just won $40 million?
Your Honor,
Peanuts for her.
you are correct, and it was more of a gesture to, I'm not concerned about that money. It was more of a statement of this is ridiculous, and if you want to...
Sounded like a statement of revenge to me. Now, look here. That, as for your counterclaim, I'm going to throw that out because that's just ridiculous. Now, what I can tell you is, once again, I am sorry that I can't assist you with this one, Miss Taylor. As much as I would like to, from woman to woman, it'd be nice, but I can't. The law is the law, Mr. Taylor. There will be no countersuit for you. I do understand you probably want to get back at her a little bit, but I'm not going to be a part of that, okay?
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
And just like that, the judge brings down the final ruling. Law over emotion. No lottery payout, no countersuit. Case closed. But for viewers, this wasn't just about money. It was about timing, feelings, and the kind of twists that make family court so captivating. "It's not fair," Smith mutters. And just like that, it's over.